Dr. Barize nayebembera n'uburinganza bw'ekika hejuru kandi oboteireho n'okushobora ebishobore na rukundo mpango.
Barize represents that group of people who don't see the difference between the Greek and the Jew, between the Catholic and the Protestant, between the Mohima and the Mwiru, the Tutsi and the Mbutu. He's that kind of person. May God bless you.
Father Didas tumine otsapren eirwariro kandi wayebembera omukoro ogu yahigabikiriza bona gendera omuhanda gwa Kristo kutosha.
Come here together to express our thankfulness. Let's learn that walking is the best exercise. I like walking, but walking from which side to which side? Let's move from negativity to positivity of thought and life and experience the goodness of life. The more we walk away from things that poison our souls, the happier our lives will be. Let's move to goodness, let's move to friendliness, let's move to generosity, let's move to support others who are in need. Dr. Barize has been a good example in his simplicity, devotional work, but most especially to support and care for the sick. Not only
muringo rw'obumwe Dr. Celestine wagumira omwanya gwa mukuru w'eirwariro Dr. Barize yabeire arwaire yamugambaho nk'omwebembezi w'omutaano wakozire ebintu nyamwingi kaire kake.
Mushrooming every day. We started construction from the high street. We've been stopped by the river bridge. How I wish we had an extra free land somewhere. He's a capable gentleman. He would leave behind enough structures. We are watching this fancy perimeter wall. This perimeter wall.
Yogitiri aho Robert Kanusu rumwezi wa RCC orurembo rwa Mbarara North yatera abembezi b'eirwariro ryo mu Muranga kutebekanisa ebihandiko ebiri kwetendeza kureba ngu Mbarara Regional Referral Hospital yaheba orurengo rwa National Hospital ahabwokuba abarwaire abari kwijaho bendi munonga wageragereza n'obuheereza oburuho.
Is continue to ask the directors of this hospital help us make a report of the status of this facility, such that we add on a voice as representatives of the president from Western Uganda to say this hospital has reached a level which can serve as a national referral hospital on addition to Mbarara. The situation can't continue as business as usual.
Nobo mukoro ogu gwayetabamu abantu nyamwingi abarumu abashaho abembezi b'amadini gatari gamwe na gamwe muri Mbarara. Dr. Celestine waba nasimirwaho yayetabaha mukoro ogu habw'enshonga etashoboroka. Dr. Celestine Barize akashemezebwa ekizimba ky'omubongo eirwariro rikuru erya Mbarara mu kwezi kwa Gashatu abanyuma yatwarwa muri Buturuki okutunga obujanjabi buri kukiraho ayiyaritire n'amagara marungi omu kwezi kwa Munana ogu akagaruka aha mirimo ye. Aba Sky TV ag'enshonga Dumatse n'ebye.